In today's video, I'll show you how to use Roblox Account Manager on your Windows PC. We'll go through the installation, security setup, adding an account, and finally how to use it to join a Roblox game. Let's get straight into it. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Roblox Account Manager. Look for the official GitHub project and open its download or release page. From there, download the latest Roblox Account Manager zip file. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Find the zip file you just downloaded, right-click it, and choose Extract All. After extracting the files, open the new Roblox Account Manager folder. Inside, you'll find the application file. Double-click the Roblox Account Manager executable to launch it. If the program tells you that an update is available, install the update and wait for it to finish. It's generally a good idea to use the latest available version. Once the application opens, you'll be asked how you want to protect your stored account information. Choose the available encryption option that best fits your needs. If you select password protection, create a strong password that you can remember. Avoid using simple passwords such as 12345, especially if you're storing account information in the application. After confirming your password, you'll be taken to the main Roblox Account Manager interface. Now, to add an account, click Add Account. Depending on the version you're using, you may see different login options. Select the appropriate login method and follow the instructions provided by the application. Once your account has been added, you'll be able to manage it from the account list. Next, let's look at how to join a specific Roblox game. Open Roblox in your browser and find the game you want to play. From the game's page, copy its game or experience ID if the application requires it. Return to Roblox Account Manager and locate the ID field. Remove the existing ID and paste the game ID you copied. The manager should then recognize the game and display its name. Once everything looks correct, select Join Server. The application will attempt to launch Roblox and connect you to the selected experience. And that's the basic process for downloading, setting up, and using Roblox Account Manager. Remember to download software only from a trusted official source and never enter your Roblox password into an untrusted application or website. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Roblox and PC tutorials.